Hi there, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to compress PDF file with the easiest way. So, go to browser, type compress PDF, go to the site, select your PDF, and compress it. It's ready. As you see now our PDF file is 34% smaller, from 222 kilobytes decreased to 148 kilobytes. If this tutorial is useful for you, put the like and subscribe us. If your PDF is not auto-downloaded, press the red button above. Here it is. So let's compare it with the previous one. They're the same and nothing is broken. We hope you like and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!